Alright guys, so now we're going to work on some reassembly of the subframe so we can start the progress of getting this thing actually back rolling again. Just taking it a day at a time. Got that one hot enough, it almost just slips right on there. And there you go, just like that. We are ready to have traction control again, because we'll totally use that all the time, because we're safe drivers. Safety third. So we're going to try and get away with a little trick here. Instead of trying to pull the drain plug out because of the very inconvenient locations that they're in, we're going to try and just fill it through the axle hole. So we know the capacity is between right about 1¼ quarts, 1½. So we're just going to squeeze a whole quart in there, hope none runs out the sides, and then we'll pop the axles in to make sure it doesn't leak after that. So here we go.
My way a little bit. Yep.
Notice there's something not here anymore. Maybe because it's finally back in the car where it belongs. Everything torqued down, all that jazz. So probably tomorrow, because it's 2 a.m. and I'm tired and frustrated at fighting this brake caliper and the e-brake cable. We're going to come at it tomorrow after Cars and Coffee, which we were going to try and make it to, but doesn't look like that's going to happen. We got the drive shaft bolted back in, torqued down, so we got to put exhaust back on tomorrow, brakes, both sides back on tomorrow, bleed the coolant, tighten down the front sway bar, and then we should be good to go. Finally, after 5 whole months being off the road, she'll be ready to go back and cause a little more ruckus. Nothing illegal, Charlotte PD. Don't impound me. Today is a beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen. All 4 wheels are back on this fresh unit. I can't believe it actually happened. 5 months in the making, between waiting on parts and finding time to actually work on it. Oh. Got the fresh brand new axles, brand new diff cover, all the goodies. Finally ready to hear this unit fire back up again after we set her down on the ground here.
back looks super cool with the lugs with those extended studs.
I need to get those long lugs like Gage has.
Yeah, they're cheap. All right, so the wheels, what we got?
So, finally, as you notice, this area is now empty for once. Finally got rid of the motor and transmission. Had somebody doing a Mach 1 clone down in Florida. So we took care of him, got that sold. So now we've got a little bit of dinero to play with, dude. So went ahead and copped some XT 206Rs in black since they don't make the black chrome anymore. Crying emoji. So basically they're 18 by 9.5 plus 10 in the front, 18 by 11 plus 8 in the rear. So we are getting some meats for this unit.
The backs are super wide.
So we're going from a 10-inch wheel to an 11-inch wheel. This is a high quality production, dude. So they fit, just barely.
Just barely. They look good. I like them.
And the center caps do fit. Just got our brand new axle nut on there. Torque to spec, you know.
What, 250 pounds?
Yeah. Breaking my arm spec.
Yeah, we don't need another accident like we had last time.
Yeah, so we're finally going to get this old girl right. We've also got a couple more surprises if you want. Because we're big carbon fiber guys here, dude.
Big carbon fiber.
Big carbon fiber guys. So, a 304 Cobra replica wing. Obviously. Just got to do a little clearancing where the third brake light goes in. And we've got our headlights are finally here, which I know we have some other clips of, I believe. We'll probably throw them in.
Yes.
But for reference. Into the park storage bathroom. Follow me, my child. So coming here soon. Be a big transformation Tuesday.
Nice. The projectors, the LED bar at the bottom.
Switchback, yep. Match our fog lights down there that are also flat black now.
Of course. It's all coming together.
The gang's all here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use the tires off of the wheels I have now. Since they're still pretty decent. 285 squared, so they should fit on these. They'll actually stretch them a little bit, which will actually make it hopefully not rub as bad.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. You know, wishful thinking. Because clearly I'm a stance boy.
Stance boy Mustang.
Look at me. I have lost it.
All I'm saying is, man, if this video gets 1,000 likes, you're buying bags, right?
Yeah, no. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked on these.
You stoked, dude?
Been wanting some new wheels for a while, actually, because the chrome wheels I had on my first car came on it. Then I transferred those to the white car. And then, if you think about it, these wheels came with this car.
Right.
So this is the first new set of wheels that I've ever actually bought.
Feels good, man.
Feels good, man, clap.
Feels good, man. So you've had what? You've had 1, 2, 3 Mustangs?
4, technically.
4, this by itself. We're including the Cobra.
Which is no longer with us.
Well, this car is pretty much...
This is the Cobra now.
Yeah, this is like half of the Cobra.
Just
Ignore that.
Just look at this part. Bonk.
Nice.
So yeah. So we're just going to get it lifted up in the air, go ahead and get all 4 of the original wheels off, and then so we can get the tires dismounted. Definitely going to ceramic coat these, so hopefully they'll stay nice and shiny and black.
They look really good shiny.
Yeah.
It's crazy going from these that are just...
also
they're just
heinously dirty. You can see from all the handprints on there.
Yeah, even when they're clean, though, they just don't shine like this.
Yeah, those got scratched and stuff. Because they were relatively new when I got the car, but after, you know, cleaning and detailing and all that kind of stuff for a while,
Right.
they get kind of scuffed.
Right.
So really the only other cosmetic thing that I'm going to do to this car is I might get a PDR guy to get some of those dents out. But the same company that made the wing makes a carbon fiber cowl panel. Don't look.
Don't look.
It's stock. Everybody that knows these cars knows these are fucking brittle as all hell.
Right.
Like I could probably hit that right now and crack it into a million pieces.
Honestly, not even trying.
But they sell one of these. It's made out of carbon and actually deletes the wipers. And since I have the truck now, this isn't really a daily anymore.
Right.
So who needs wipers, dude?
I mean, only when it rains, right?
That's what Rain-X is for. So basically, yeah, that's pretty much the only other aesthetic mod I need to do. Might do a wheel, get a new radio, just a little interior details. But,
Right.
and I actually still need to buy the rear seat tub because that's actually still the factory Mach 1 bottom.
Right, because the convertible one wouldn't fit, right?
Yeah, convertible. The motors for the convertible top are actually poke out a little bit in the inside.
Right.
So there's probably like a 6-inch, 8-inch gap between the side of the seats and all that other jazz, which I actually gave the guy that bought the shell because I didn't need them.
Right.
So yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the wing, headlights, wheel, that's a pretty big transmission. A lot going on.
Oh yeah. That's going to be brand new to me. Smile.
Smile. The camera actually focuses on it. It looks so good. They're so, like, the paint is just so pretty. They're so
Pretty.
shiny. Shiny.